Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of probability distribution function. And this is a previous examination question. The given example is find small a and small b for capital Fx of x is a plus b into e power minus x square by 2c u of x to be a distribution function where x is a continuous random variable. So coming to the solution, given that the cumulative distribution function is fx of x is this one, here u of x is the unit step function. So find out the constant small a and small b. So first find out the probability density function of the random variable capital X from the distribution function. So we know that the density function is the derivative of the distribution function, that is small fx of x is equal d by dx into capital Fx of x, and substitute this capital Fx of x value into this equation, and after that differentiating with respect to x, we get a is the constant, d by dx into a is 0, b into e power minus x square by 2c, differentiation is e power b is the constant, b into e power minus x square by 2c into x square by minus x square by 2c, differentiation is minus 2x by 2c into u of x. Here 2 is the cancel numerator and denominator. Therefore, the probability density function small fx of x is equal minus b by c into x into e power minus x square by 2c into u of x. So find out the constant a and b. So now here the density function is there, density function is calculated. So we know that area under the probability density function curve is always equal to 1. That is integral minus infinity to infinity fx of x dx is equal to 1. So using this equation, we can determine b value. Substitute this density function value into this equation, we get integral minus infinity to infinity minus b by c into x into e power minus x square by 2c into u of x dx, where u of x is a unit step function. So from the definition of the unit step function, u of x is equal to 1 for x greater than or equal to 0. When you apply the definition of the unit step function, the range of the x is 0 to infinity. So that is minus b by c is the constant that is written before integration. When you are applying the definition of the unit step function, now the range of the x is 0 to infinity. Integral 0 to infinity x into e power minus x square by 2c into dx is equal to 1. And after that, simplifying this integration, let us consider x square by 2c is equal to p, differentiating with respect to p, 2x dx by 2c is equal to dp. On LHS side, numerator and denominator, 2 is the cancel, x dx is equal to c dp. In the previous equation, in this equation, the ranges of the x are 0 to infinity. Here we are considering x square by 2c is equal to 2c. Now next calculate the ranges of the p. In this equation, x is substituted by 0 and x is equal to infinity, then we can determine p values. If x is equal to 0, then p is equal to 0. If x is equal to infinity, then p is equal to infinity. The ranges of the p also 0 to infinity. Applying all these considerations into this equation, we get minus b by c integral 0 to infinity e power minus p into x dx is c dp is equal to 1. So numerator and denominator, c is the cancel, minus b integral e power minus p dp is e power minus p by minus 1 over 0 to infinity. When you applying the upper value of p and lower value of p, we get b into e power minus infinity minus minus into minus plus e power minus infinity minus e power minus 0 is equal to 1. E power minus infinity value is 0, e power minus 0 value is 1. So therefore b is equal to minus 1 and a value is not equal to 0.